Is the Bharti AXA Life Smart Invest Guaranteed Plan truly a smart way to secure guaranteed returns or just another safe savings product with limited upside? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non linked, non participating life insurance individual savings product, and some of the key features of the policy are this policy provides you with life insurance coverage throughout the policy term, ensuring financial protection for your family and loved ones. So, a guaranteed lump sum amount is paid at maturity, offering certainty of returns, and investors can opt for life coverage on either a single life or joint life basis depending on their requirements. So, the plan allows flexibility in selecting life cover options aligned with individual needs. So there are some tax advantages available as well. So these are some of the key features of the policy. And there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit as well, which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So some of the advantages of the policy are there are additional protection which can be obtained by opting for riders on payment of an extra premium, and this policy also offers a loan facility under which a loan of up to 70% of the surrender value can be availed. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages. Like under all plan options, the sum assured reduces by a fixed percentage each year. The returns offered by the plan are not satisfactory, and the level of sum assured is insufficient to provide meaningful financial protection. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 45-year-old male has purchased this policy with a sum assured of 1.4 lakh. The policy term is 5 years funded through a single premium of 1 lakh. At the end of the policy term, the maturity benefit payable is 1.34 lakh. So for this cash flow, the IRR works out to be approximately 6.08% according to the policy's maturity calculator. So in comparison, a bank fixed deposit can potentially deliver higher returns while also offering superior liquidity. So investing at a rate lower than inflation erodes purchasing power and does not constitute a prudent investment strategy. Hence, this policy may not be a suitable addition to an investment portfolio even within the debt allocation. So now that we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy with other alternatives by using an alternative approach where instead of combining insurance and investment, we are going to separately invest in it both to see whether that can give us more efficient returns. So for a like-for-like comparison, we are going to use the same assumptions as in the earlier example while separating the insurance and investment components for a much more fair comparison. So in the previous example, the death benefit under the Bharti policy was 1.4 lakhs, which does not meet the IRDAI prescribed minimum sum assured of 5 lakhs. Therefore, for a fair comparison, we assume a pure term insurance policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs. A pure term policy offering 5 lakh coverage can be purchased with a single premium of approximately 14,500 rupees. After paying the insurance premium, the remaining amount available for investment is 85,500 rupees. So this balance can be deployed into investments aligned with one's financial goals and time horizon. For example, you can assume the amount is invested in an equity mutual fund scheme here. So at the end of 5 years, the maturity value of the equity mutual fund after accounting for capital gains tax is 1.5 lakh. So the combined IRR, internal rate of return of the equity mutual fund investment along with pure term insurance policy works out to be 8.55%. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference. This comparison underscores the importance of a goal-based investment approach. Separating insurance and investment not only enhances flexibility but also delivers superior returns compared to traditional endowment type plans. So based on these calculations, the Bharti policy may not be an optimal choice for inclusion in an investment portfolio. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bharti AXA Life Smart Invest Guaranteed Plan worth it or not. So this policy is a traditional life insurance product that combines life cover with an investment component. However, the life cover offered under the plan diminishes each year and the sum assured itself is insufficient. Consequently, the insurance element fails to serve its primary purpose of providing meaningful financial protection. An analysis of the plan's returns further indicates that the investment performance is unfavorable. The returns generated are relatively low when compared with alternative investment avenues, and it also has a high agent commission. The combination of an inadequate sum assured, a declining life cover, and modest returns makes the policy an unattractive proposition. A more effective approach is to first establish a strong financial foundation by securing adequate life and health insurance and maintaining a robust emergency fund. So, investments should then be structured around specific financial goals aligned with one's risk appetite and investment horizon. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.